Hey guys, this is Caffinated here. The company Viter Energy actually reached out to me a while back asking if I would be willing to give an unbiased review for their caffeinated mints, which I have here. So you can pick these up on their website and also on Amazon for about $5 a canister. They also sell in bulk, so the unit price would be low if you do buy in bulk. But each one of these little tins come with 20 pieces of these mints. So you can just quickly take a look at the canister. I think it's really nifty. I like the size. I would definitely reuse it for something else once I finish it. So I have two flavors here that they sent me, spearmint and wintergreen. See if I could try them out and see how I like them. So if you take a look at the nutrition facts here, you can see that the amount of sugar is relatively low. What's pretty high here is obviously the caffeine, which is 40 milligrams, and amazingly that is actually more than the caffeine in a typical can of 12 fluid ounce Coke. Fun fact. So they basically are advertising that these caffeinated mints, if you take two of them, it's equivalent to 1 cup of coffee, so it will give you that much energy just by taking two of these mints. So I gave it a shot. I opened these up. I ate them while I dissolved in my mouth and everything. And, well, what I can say is that it's not really my cup of tea, or however you want to say it. I didn't really dig the flavor. I tried both of them. It just, I don't know. I think maybe I came in expecting it to taste just like a regular mint, but unfortunately it doesn't. It tastes like a hybrid of like a vitamin and a mint, if that makes any sense. So, I mean, there are definitely people who like it. I mean, just look at the reviews on Amazon. There are definitely people who enjoy this thing. And I think it's an interesting idea to infuse breath mints with, you know, caffeine. It's a really easy way, because I think the amount of time for you to drink a cup of coffee is probably the amount of time that it takes for two of these tablet capsules to dissolve in your mouth. So, I mean, personally, I don't really like the flavor. I think that's the only thing that really hinders me from recommending it. So not everybody will like it. I gave it to my friends. Some people liked it, some people didn't. So if you want to give it a shot, I think it's no harm putting in $5 to try these out. But otherwise, I mean, you either like them or hate them. I just think it's still a pretty decent idea. It's just the flavor is not really my taste. I think just one thing about the actual canister, I think I really like the size. I'll definitely reuse it for probably something else. But I did notice that the paint kind of chips, as you can see, after just opening it a couple times. So I don't know how corrosion resistant these things are either. So who knows. But anyways, that's just my take on the Viter Energy caffeinated mints.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. You'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.